Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce us from Group 1 will present the basic of taxation and type of taxes. Our group consisted of 3 people, namely Salsa Della Siva Ruhayana, Syahrul Isma Febrian, and Faisal Rizky Prasetya. Furthermore, it will be conveyed by Syahrul and Faisal.
Okay, for the first we have definition of tax. Taxes are people contribution to the state's treasury based on the law, which can be enforced by not receiving reciprocal services, or contra-achievement, which can be sown directly and which are used to pay general expenses. Tax based on Pasal 1 Undang-Undang Nomor 28 Tahun 2007 tentang KUP. Compulsory contributions to the states owned by individuals or entities that are coercive in nature based on the law without receiving direct compensation and are used for the needs of the states for the greatest prosperity of the country. And the next slides we have tax element, and they are contribution from the people to the states. Tax are distinguished from penalties or fines, and tax are collected by law. Tax can be imposed and no reciprocal services or direct contra performance. And the last one is tax are used to finance state's household. And the next slides we have tax function, and they have 2 value of the tax function. For the first is budgetary function. Taxes as sources of fund for the government to finance its expenditures. And the second one is regular function. Taxes function as a tools to regulate or implement government policies in the social and economic fields. Okay, the next is tax law position. For these slides, we have tax law position, and they are for the first is civil law, regulates individual relationship with other individuals, and a public law regulates the relationship between the government and the people, and then a constitutional law, administrative law, criminal law, and tax law. Kinds of the tax law. For the first, material tax law, norms that explain tax objects, tax subjects, fees, arising and extinguishing tax debts, government relations with taxpayer. And the second, formal tax law, procedures for implementing material tax law, for the example, tax payable determination procedures. And these slides we have the tax collection terms. For the first is term of justice, and the second one is juridical requirement. This is based on the law, and the third one is economic condition, do not interfere with economic activities, and the fourth is financial requirement, it's efficient, and the fifth is term of simplicity. Okay, the next slides we have the tax collection theory, and they are for the first insurance theory. The state protects the people, then the people pay tax as a premium. And the second one, interest theory. The tax burden is based on the interest of each person, so the greater the interest, the greater the tax. And the third one is the theory of carrying power. The tax paid must be equal in wage according to the carrying capacity of each person. Next, objective element, amount of income. Subjective element, the magnitude of material needs. And the theory of filial piety, the relationship of the people to the states, that tax are an obligation to serve the states. And the last one, purchasing power principle theory, collecting tax means attracting the purchasing power of public household to state's household. Okay, and then we have the tax collection procedures, and they are third point of value. For the first is real taxation, all real, a collection at the end of the year. And the second, taxation assumption of fictive, collection at the beginning of the year based on the previous year's tax value. And the last, mixed taxation, collection at the beginning of the year and registers at the end of the year.
tax collection system. Number 1 is official assessment system, is a collection system by the government. Number 2, self-assessment system, is a collection system by the taxpayer himself. And number 3, withholding system, is a collection system by a third party. Tax collection principle. Number 1 is the principle of domicile. The state has the right to collect taxes on the income of taxpayers who are domiciled in their territory. And the principle of source is the state impose a tax on income originating from its territory. And the principle of nationally linked to nationally, for example, foreign tax. The principle of tax collection according to Adam Smith. There are A. Equity, is taxes must be fair and equitable. B. Certainly, it means taxes are not collected arbitrarily. C. Convenience, is when the taxpayer pays, it should be done when it is not difficult for the taxpayer. And D. Economy, it means the cost of collecting taxes should be less than the tax earned. And now we're going to tax type. There are two types of tax. Number 1 is according to the group. A. Direct tax, a tax that must be borne by the taxpayer himself and cannot be charged or delegated to the others. For example, PPH. B. Indirect taxes, is taxes that can ultimately be charged to other people. For example, VAT. And the number 2 of type is according to its nature. A. Subjective tax, is a tax that stems from the subjects, namely by taking into account to the state of the taxpayer. B. Objective tax, is tax that stems from the object regardless of the taxpayer's personal condition. And the last is according to the agency that collects it. A. Central tax, namely tax collected by the government and used to finance state households. For example, PPH, PPN, PPNBM, PBB, stamps duty. And B. Local taxes, namely taxes collected by local government and used to finance local households. For example, PKB, BBNKB, hotel and restaurant taxes, street lighting taxes, H. And the next is the emergence and elimination of tax debts. The emergence of tax debts. There are 1. Formal teaching, is a decree is issued by the tax authorities. Number 2 is material teaching, enactment of the law. And eliminate tax debt. There are payment, compensation, expired, and liberation or deletion. And we're going to tax collection barriers. There are 2 resistance in tax collection barrier. There are passive resistance, is a collection system that is difficult for the public to understand the economic crisis. The other is active resistance, is taxpayers deliberately to avoid taxes. There are 2. A. Tax avoidance, an effort to reduce the tax burden by not violating by the law. B. Tax evasion, an effort to ease the tax burden by the violating the law. And we're going to the last is the tax rate. Number 1 is proportional rate, VAT rate equal to 10%. 2. Fixed rate, stamp duty rate. 3. Progressive rate, is the rate is getting bigger if the amount subject to tax is getting bigger. And the last is degressive rate, are the lower the rate when the amount subject to tax is greater.
That's all the material from us. Hopefully it can help all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.